Assalamualaikum students. As you know, we have started unit number 4. ठीक है, present perfect tense, ed endings. So students, I have told you about these tense, that how we will create sentences, what are the helping verbs, ठीक है, which forms of verb we will use, all things I have told you. Again I will repeat that have and has are helping verbs. ठीक है, have we use with plural and has we use with singular, and third forms of verb we will use here. Clear? Question number 4. Now they have given sentences and we will complete it. Here students, you can see they have given third forms. ठीक है, and we will write here and complete the sentence. First is I wanted to climb the tree and now dash. ठीक है, here climbed students they have given third form and we will complete it. I wanted to climb the tree and now I have climbed it. ठीक है students, for tree we have used here it, and third forms of verb we will use here, and have we will use with I. Clear? Next is I wanted to clean the window and now dash. Students, I will fill here. Now I have cleaned it. ठीक है, for window what we have used it. Clear students? Now all these sentences are same, and now that sentence is changed. I will tell you, I wanted to help my father and now dash. Students, here is father, so you know that father we use him for a boy. ठीक है, so I wanted to help my father and now I have helped him. ठीक है, these sentences are same, we will use it in the last. ठीक है, that is different and that one is also different. Clear? Question number 5 students, you will practice these sentences with your friend. ठीक है, for example, what has happened? Jamil has climbed the tree. What has he done? He has climbed the tree. Who has climbed the tree? Jamil has. ठीक है, next, what has happened? Again you will do conversation. ठीक है, Uzma has cleaned the window. Again you will ask question, what has he done? She has cleaned the window. ठीक है, who has cleaned the window? Uzma has. Students, you can write here any friend name and you will do conversation with your friend. Clear? Now question number 6, practice this conversation around the class and you will practice with your friend. So I will tell you that how you will make sentence and you will give answer. Students, I have take one word and I will make sentence here like sleepy. ठीक है, students, in for unit number 3 you have read these sentences that I feel hot. ठीक है, let's have a drink. I feel thirsty, let's have a drink. These type of sentences you have read. Now I have made sentence here sleepy. You look sleepy, Uzma. Students, here you will do conversation with your friend. You look sleepy, Uzma. You can write here any friend name. ठीक है, do you feel sleepy? First you will make sentence and you will then question, do you feel sleepy? ठीक है, Uzma will say yes, I feel sleepy. If she will said, if your friend will say in answer in yes, he will say yes, I feel sleepy. ठीक है, if you will that the other person will give answer in negative, so you will write no, I don't feel sleepy. ठीक है, next sentence sad. You look sad, mother. If you will say to your mother, ठीक है, you look sad, mother. Do you feel sad? Your mother will give answer, no, I don't feel sad. ठीक है. First you will make sentence, you will do conversation, and you will make question, then he or she will give answer. Clear? Students, now these words, there are words they have given: cold, sleepy, tired, thirsty, hungry, angry, ill, cheerful and happy. ठीक है. You will use these sentences, you will use these words and make sentences like I have told you. Clear? Students, in this all page you will do as a practice. ठीक है. This is activity page. So question number 5 and 6 you will do with your friend. Clear? Allah Hafiz.